racing just started. We have Generous Gent, break quickly to start, moving up for the outside, Heaven Sent, Meadow Lad, Perfect Pass, moving up Princess Jacqueline, Primus Inter Pares, then moving up is Big Time, Fair Game, Miss Manila, Mother of Honor, Una Mujer comes next, and going along for the first turn, we have Heaven Sent by about 2 lengths, Generous Gent is right behind in second, Perfect Pass comes next, Mother of Honor, Princess Jacqueline, next on line is Meadow Lad, moving up now on the outside is Big Time, in the middle portion, Primus Inter Pares, Fair Game comes next, Miss Manila, Armor Plated, Una Mujer, especially discreet, second last, while twice is racing in 14th, inside the 3 octavo, Eret still Heaven Sent, maintaining a length and a half lead, Generous Gent in second, moving up now on the outside, Princess Jacqueline, Primus Inter Pares is down in 4th, next on line is Big Time, Miss Manila comes next, Mother of Honor, Meadow Lad, as they swing for home, we have Heaven Sent, maintaining a 3 lengths lead, and in second, Princess Jacqueline, with about 100 meters up the race, we have Heaven Sent, now increasing its marker to about 6 lengths, followed by Princess Jacqueline, and finally it's Heaven Sent, Princess Jacqueline, Primus Inter Pares, Meadow Lad, Big Time, then comes Fair Game for your Super 6.
Yun. Galing talaga.
Galing. Ano kaya naging pacing ng ginawa ni